Hello everyone, I am Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty in Physics. I have 18 years experience. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Students, today we are going to discuss previous G-Mains questions on kinematics topic. So one question is here, the sum of two forces P bar and Q bar is R bar, such that the magnitude of R bar equal to magnitude of P bar. Then the angle theta in degrees that the resultant of 2P bar and Q bar will make with Q bar is. So this problem on concept of parallelogram law vector addition. We know that parallelogram here two forces acting simultaneously at point O. This is the A bar, this is B bar. Angle between them is theta. Okay, sir? Then magnitude of resultant vector, we know that R bar equal to root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the magnitude of resultant vector of two vectors. And what is the angle made by resultant vector with A vector? So here this is the alpha. We know that tan alpha equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. This is the expression. But here two cases are there. One is P and Q combination. Another one is 2P and Q combination. So suppose here first case better. First case here Q bar and P bar. Making an angle theta. Theta already used here. That's why here don't use, this is the theta naught. Then what is the magnitude of resultant vector? R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2PQ cos theta. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Here R square is nothing but P square beta, P square. Then A means Q square plus B means P square. 2QP cos theta naught. In this which is cancel beta? Cos square here. P square cancel. 0 is equal to Q square plus 2QP cos theta naught. So here this is one expression from case 1. For case 2 beta, here Q is active this side. Q, here P. That's why here second case theta and the angle made by resultant of 2P bar and Q bar. So P bar direction this one. 2P bar direction is same as P bar because here, so this is the P time, P one time, this is 2 time, but direction is same. This is also theta naught. What is the angle made by resultant of these two? Here R dash bar. This angle is alpha, but alpha equal to theta. Right, better? Up to this. Therefore, tan alpha equal to expression is there. Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Yes, sir. So here theta is nothing but, alpha is nothing but theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to B 2P sin theta naught divided by A is nothing but Q plus 2P cos theta naught. It is multiplied and divided by Q. Okay, there is no change. Sir, here now tan theta is equal to 2QP sin theta naught divided by q square plus 2qp cos theta naught. Yes, sir. But from this 0 equal to q square plus 2qp cos theta naught, it is nothing but 0. Something by 0. 2qp sin theta naught divided by 0. Therefore, tan theta is equal to something by 0 infinity. Therefore, theta is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Angle made by angle theta, that the resultant of 2p bar and q bar will make with q bar is how much? 90 degrees. First is already over. First, second one. So the distance x travelled by a particle in one-dimensional motion varies with time t as x square is equal to at square plus 2bt plus c. Okay. If the acceleration of the particle depends on x as x power minus n, where n is an integer, then n is how much? Students, listen. So listen here, x square is given. X is a distance covered along x direction. X square equal to at square plus 2bt plus c. So here x is displacement or distance travelled in one dimensional. That's why here x and t is differentiate. This side and this side differentiate with time t. That's why here x square differentiation 2x and x is variable dx by dt. Is it clear? Which is equal to, so a into 2t, 2at plus 2b. Yes sir, here 2x into dx by dt is v. V is equal to 2at plus b. Yes sir. So 2 cancel beta. 2 cancel. Therefore here x into v is equal to at plus b. At plus b. Therefore which is equal to v equal to at plus b by x. Okay sir. Then differentiate. X is variable, v also variable. Both variable. Differentiate with respect to time again. This is a UV method. X into dv by dt plus v into dx by dt, which is equal to at is a, b is 0. That's why here x into here dv by dt is acceleration plus v into dx by dt v. V into v square is equal to a. Okay sir. Then x into acceleration is equal to a minus v square. A minus v square. Then acceleration is equal to beta a minus v square by x. Okay. But v is nothing but a dt by x. Right here. Therefore here a minus at plus b whole square by x square divided by x beta. Divided by x. Take LCM, we get answer. Acceleration is equal to ax square minus here a plus at plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square t square plus b square plus 2abt divided by x cube beta. Yes sir. Therefore here x square is nothing but this one. Na? X square is nothing but acceleration is equal to a into at square plus 2bt. Yes sir. 2bt plus c minus of a square t square plus b square plus 2abt divided by x cube beta. Here in this, which is cancelled sir? Which is cancelled? Here a square t square, a square t square, a square t square cancel. So here 2abt cancel. Remaining term is acceleration is equal to ca minus b square by x cube. This is the constant beta. acceleration is directly proportional to x power minus 3, sir. Yes, sir. But here in given expression, here in this, acceleration depends on x as x power minus n. That's why comparing these two, we get n is equal to 3. This is the answer. All of you write it. Thank you.